After a long time, I'm back with a new video. This one is about my visit to Gongpong Chorten during festival. It was a special time of blessing, peace and joy, and I'm excited to share with you all. Atoba longo suchu tele kola chicken be, which is madam chicken show salamadi. Te machisum madam chimna tree chitumba te pai kala madam dikin riki besano. Tele tip ton sabe lokti shimnawi because ngachi lunch chimbang be pai kompucho te chuni bate and be bindegi chimna lokti wani. That same day chicken soy because amashu chicken so miss lappe chicken so be pakchui. Te charu ngachi ni de ready cho wait le chuni be. The challenge is to majue, the mode grace also not to the tenacity, Madame Kirna say, Betty, one of the 10-year key, and a cheshi tree. My child is not on the Katina and the Zhemgang. Ajitaunani betin bijuiba. Ati marami hemadi chap on zumbeti. Tebada chigi nimdinade nimjie sha kato tabeti. Another me view this come to church to me. Our trip to Gongpong Chorten was a beautiful journey filled with nature's beauty, laughter with friends, and peaceful moments along the way. The day was sunny, the surroundings so beautiful, and we were able to reach to Gongpong Chorten. Finally, we reached to Gongpong Chorten. It was my first visit and I was amused by the peaceful surroundings and natural beauty. After arriving there, we waited for our friends to join us. Ngachi he piazza kale ngachi charity so he chi. Te ngachi tisu atiti reste vedele tami halam jonavate so ngachi lunch sagi silapi te lunch sanige tanti chipi. Lunch sa iti chuti chukura chakpobe smoothie chuti chukura chapachui te nimjie sha be beauty se kato to te char de su chunde se spinning to the down the go chinde kato to se shuni ji panara ngachi lo koni ki time range to and pe benediki ngachi fale at early viewing. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. If you are interested in visiting Gongpong Chorten, it is truly beautiful and peaceful out there. Hope you enjoy it.